Hi friends, welcome back to Speak Smart English with Hasita. Today we are starting a brand new series called Helping Verbs Made Easy. So, what exactly is a helping verbs? Let's find out simply and clearly. Okay? Let's understand this step by step. A helping verb is a word that helps the main verbs to show time, action, or mood. Basically, it supports the main verbs to make the sentences complete. In Sinhala, we say helping verbs එකක් කියලා කියන්නේ ක්‍රියාපදයකට උදව් කරන පදයක්. Let's look at a few simple examples. Then I am teaching English. මම ඉංග්‍රීසි උගන්වමින් ඉන්නවා. She has finished her homework. ඇය ඇයගේ ගෙදර වැඩ ඉවර කරලා තියෙනවා. And we can say they are playing football. ඔවුන් පාපන්දු ක්‍රීඩා කරමින් ඉන්නවා. See, words like am, has, are. Those are helping verbs. They help the main verb teaching, finished, playing to show what's really happening. If you remove them, the sentences sound strange or incomplete. So always remember this. Helping verbs are like friends of the main verb. They never work alone. They always come with another verb. Here are some common helping verbs you will hear every day. Is, am, are, was, were, have, has, had, do, does, did, can, will, may, must, should. These little words make your English sound correct and natural. Alright friends, now you know what helping verbs are. In the next episode, we will learn how to use is, am and are correctly. Okay, so don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Speak Smart English with Hasit. See you soon in episode